Okay, so this is our guest bedroom. So when we have guests, this is all my junk over here, cooking books, magazines, you name it. Art stuff all the way on the very top. This picture I painted, it's an oil painting of the freeways when I used to be a truck driver. Look at who's there. It's TJ, checking out the bed. We're gonna move this bed out of the way, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on this frame here. It says 18th century mahogany made in China. Well, obviously the metal is mahogany. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to move this bed next, and we're going to show you how we're going to assemble this. It's going to be like a headboard.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Opening up the drapes gave it a little bit better perspective of how the room is. So this is the entrance, and I'm going to be placing this on this buffet over here, and you're going to be able to see me as I move things around.
And then you can see TJ is right there doing his job.
Okay, TJ, let's get this done. Come on. Grab that corner of that, yes. Grab that. Good job. Yeah, TJ's a lot of help, let me tell you. I'm gonna stand this up. You won't be able to see that. I'll show you in a minute.
See, it's right over here. Okay, now we're gonna do this part.
Alright, let's see what's underneath the bed. Okay. Let's pick this up. It's just a box spring, and you can see there's a lot of dust here, so let's make this safe, and then what we're going to do is vacuum the area. Alright, so what happened is we went around, we're trying to find a headboard for my bed. And we looked everywhere, and everything was like a couple $100, even $500–600. So, just wandering around, walking my dog like I always do in my neighborhood, and I found this person selling this bed for $10. It comes with a frame, everything. The problem I'm having, and I will show you this to you at the end, is that the footboard is so much higher, it keeps the mattress in place, that I can't watch my TV set. So what we're going to do for right now, we're going to install this to the existing frame here. So for today, because I want this up, well, you see my paintings in the way too. So this is got to go. This all came up to when some guests wanted to come by and visit our house, and we started thinking, oh my goodness, we have to fix up the spare bedroom. Okay, so I get on the ground, and see if I can hand tighten the bolts onto the frame, aligning this little hole, whoops, preventing that from falling on your head. Let me see if I can adjust the other side. I've removed the screw. I'm putting in between locking nuts so that putting in this locking nut so that when I tighten it, it will be tighter. And just like the other one, I had to raise it a little bit. Right in between there, where my hands are going to be, is a bolt, and I'm trying to screw that into this frame over here. The reason I turned this on is not to put this bolt in, because TJ was coming up trying to be the mechanic. course, as soon as I put on the video, he stopped. This is way too big because it's a 10-inch. Tighten this up. So what this video shows is that you might get a fabulous deal like I did, but you're still going to have to figure it out, how to assemble it. Like mine didn't fit exactly perfect, but you just have to think out of the box. Now mechanics know there's always problems, and you just have to be patient and figure it out. Now there's never going to really be any pressure. It's not like I'm going to be hanging on this, but I'm going to put this rubber piece underneath here, right underneath the foot, or if my guests get on the bed tonight, then they'll be safe. And this will be up the amount it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is the footer, and if you can see, on this side, unlucky for me, there is no place for me to attach this to. There's no side bar, so I would have to create a bar for it. So I don't think I'm going to use it as a footer. That it would get in the way. It would be looking like through prison bars to be able to watch TV. Okay, so this is our guest bedroom. Okay, so we just put the mattress on and it's looking good. Now we're just going to assemble the bed. So now what we're doing is fixing the wall. Can't possibly have a big painting, so we're going to use this painting. This is another one of my unfinished paintings, and I have to fix the frame. The frame decided to break on me. You know, these are the barracudas and little fish over here and some seaweed over here, and I was going to put a big gigantic shark in the center here, and I just never got around to doing it. So we're going to manage to move this about here. Okay. Just like that. It's going to be good. Alright, so now we're all ready for our guests, and we hope that you enjoyed seeing this video. TJ and I, thank you guys at Just a Cat's Meow, that's what my mother always says. And he, of course, is not cooperating for a picture. Ah, there he comes. He wants to play chase. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah, well, we're not quite finished. We forgot one more thing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try to put the picture up here. We have sprinklers in our walls, and they're not made of metal, they're made of PVC. And many people have hammered into their walls and had an enormous mess to pick up. Knowing the problems, I'm a lot more careful. Okay, now we're truly finished. If a room, a picture in the back, there's a picture in the front. I'm going to show you as I leave, and then I'll play with TJ for a little while. Okay, so this is the back with the new headboard and the pillows. And this is the front, in front behind the TV set. You get to see that. And this is me exiting. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.